Advanced cutting machines crack open the tough shells with precision, ensuring worker safety and preventing damage to the creamy pulp inside. Fresh durians are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to preserve aroma and prevent fermentation before processing.
Each durian is inspected on-site. Damaged, overripe, or underdeveloped fruits are removed.
This early selection ensures consistent flavor and quality.
Fresh durians are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to preserve aroma and prevent fermentation before processing.
The durians are thoroughly washed using high-pressure, food-grade water systems to remove dirt, microbes, and surface contaminants.
Advanced cutting machines crack open the tough shells with precision, ensuring worker safety and preventing damage to the creamy pulp inside.
The extracted pulp is inspected again and passed through refining machines to achieve a smooth, uniform consistency.
To ensure safety and shelf stability, the durian pulp is pasteurized using controlled heat treatment.
The pasteurized durian pulp is blended with a carefully formulated milk base. Precision mixing systems ensure balanced taste, creaminess, and aroma. High-pressure homogenization breaks down fat and pulp particles, creating a smooth, stable durian milk juice with consistent texture.
Samples are tested for flavor profile, texture, safety, and nutritional standards. Only batches that meet strict specifications proceed to packaging.
The finished durian milk juice flavor is filled into sterile containers using aseptic technology, locking in freshness without preservatives.
Packaged products are stored under controlled conditions before being distributed worldwide to consumers.
From farm to factory, tradition meets modern technology, transforming fresh durian into a smooth, flavorful durian milk juice enjoyed around the world.